Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into Signal app review in order to check if the app is worth using. So let's really dive into it. The Signal app is a top tier choice for privacy. It offers end-to-end encryption for messages, calls and media sharing, doesn't collect users' data, and it's open source. For anyone worried about privacy, surveillance or data harvesting, is a strong and trustworthy messaging platform that works across devices and keep communication secure together with clean. So you don't have anything to worry about. So talking about the flip side, Signal's user base is smaller than mainstream app. So not everyone actually use the app. Also, some advanced features like video calling quality or group size limits lag behind larger app, and in my opinion, I actually think the app is worth using if privacy matters to you and you want secure communication, but you might still need other app to stay connected with friends who doesn't use the app. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review.